Hello friends, today we are learn how to check the given number is even and odd. Then first open the notepad plus and write some predefined codes like three packages, one class name is even and odd, and predefined function public static void main. And now we are create scanner class object scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in and give one message for users system dot out dot print ln your enter any number. Okay, and the given number is to end one integer type variable int n equals to s is the scanner class object and next int. Okay. Now when use today's we used one if condition. How to use if condition? Then if and inside of given any condition and open braces, close braces, and statements and the else condition is use else, write else, and then statements. Okay, this is the if condition. How to syntax, how to use the if condition is the syntax of the if condition. And now today's we use check even and odd number by the if condition. Write if and my number is n, then n mod 2 equal 0, then this is my this condition satisfied for my even number. Then give the message system dot out dot print ln the first write like n plus is a even number, like that. Okay, and otherwise this condition is false, then use else open bracket and close brackets and write system dot out dot print ln n plus equals inverted and is a odd number. Okay, and now assume we have n equals to 10. The 10 is the even number. Then the check the if condition 10 n equals to 10, 10 mod 2 equals to 0, 10 mod 2 equals to 0 is the satisfied, is the condition is true. The true, then come the inside of the if condition and write the n plus n is the 10 is a even number. And otherwise the you assume we are given n equals to 11, then 11 mod 2 reminder 1, the 1 is not equal to 0, then this condition is wrong. Then go to false part is else part and print the n is the 11 is the odd number. Okay, then check this is the perfect and not perfect. Then go save this file, go to desktop java and save even odd dot java. Okay, and now we compile this file, command prompt, right, go to first my file path cd desktop cd java and compile my even underscore odd dot java file, then compile java c even underscore odd dot java. My file is perfectly compiled. After that we execute this file, run this file. That time we used java and class name. My class name is even underscore odd. Okay, and I give number is 10. Then 10 is a even number and again we are compile this file, again we are compile this file and execute that file, java and class name, enter. To this time I gave the number is 11, then 11 is the odd number. This is the perfect output. 10 is the even number and 11 is the odd number. And thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you very much.